Hello children, in this video I am going to explain about the study of continent North America. Okay, and in this lesson we learned many things and especially the continent formation of continent. Okay, and here we discussed about heat zones, North America, then location, political divisions, the land, cordilleras. Okay, and what are the major rivers? Mississippi, Missouri, Rio, and Colorado. These are the major rivers. And next major lakes. What are the major lakes? The Great Lakes, Superior, then Erie and Ontario, and Great Slave, Great Bear. And what are the important mountain ranges? Western Cordilleras, Rockies, Alaska, Coast Ranges, and Appalachians. And what are the highest peak? Mount McKinley. And what are the chief crops? Wheat, maize, potatoes, barley, soybean, cotton, tobacco, sugarcane, etc. etc. And which are the important cities? New York, Washington DC, Los Angeles, Chicago, Ottawa, Mexico City, Havana. These are the important cities. Then what we have learned? We learned about the important landforms, isn't it? Western, first we discussed about the Western Cordilleras. What is a Cordillera? It is a chain of parallel mountain. After Cordillera, what we have learned? We discussed about the Appalachian Mountains. Okay, and it is also called Eastern Highlands. Next we learned about the Great Plains. Between the Western Cordillera and the Appalachians there is a region of vast fertile land. It is known as the Great Plains or the Central Plains. Then we discussed about the Canadian Shield. What is Canadian Shield? In the northern part of the continent around the Hudson Bay lies the Canadian Shield. Some of the oldest Rockies of the world are found in this region. And mainly we discussed about next river. What is that? The Mississippi. And what are the important resource and their utilization? Agriculture, then minerals and industries, transportation, then cities, isn't it? Then last we discussed about the lumbering in Canada. And in the region stretching from south central Alaska to the northern east coast of Canada has short warm summer and long severe winters. And this region is covered with evergreen coniferous forest. And in this forest most trees are evergreen, and which means they do not shed all their leaves at any time of the year, isn't it? Then we discussed about loggers, logging, high rigor felling, right? And then last we discussed about how to conserve or how they are conserving their forest, isn't it? So in the end of the video I have included the question answers and exercises also. Please see all of you and write in your textbook also. Okay.